Today, we're taking a look at one of the sharpest upgrades available for the 2025 Polaris Slingshot, our upper and lower replacement LED running lights with integrated sequential turn signals. For 2025, every trim comes equipped with upper LED running lights, while the higher-end models add a matching set of lower lights. Our replacements keep the familiar factory styling, but dramatically step things up with a brighter, smoother white daytime running light that flows continuously across the housing. Beyond the visual upgrade, these lights also integrate a bold amber sequential turn signal. Not only does it modernize the front end, but it also improves safety by giving oncoming motorists a far clearer indication of your turning intentions. Each unit features an IP67 waterproof rating and plug-and-play connectors so the install stays clean. In today's video, we'll be installing the kit on our 2025 Slingshot R model, showcasing how to upgrade both the upper and lower lights. Let's dive into the install.
Before you begin, ensure your Slingshot is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a small amount of dielectric grease to the ends of all connectors included in the kit. This protects the electrical connection points and components from moisture and corrosion. Open your hood to access the front running lights. Locate the factory connector on the back of the light housing and unplug it. A pry tool can be useful here to help release the plastic locking tab. Then, use an 11mm wrench to remove the 3 nuts securing the upper running light. Please note that all factory hardware will not be reused. Now you can remove the factory light and set it aside. Grab your new front running light and slide it into the mounting position. Using the new mounting hardware, add a washer and nut to each stud. Thread them finger tight at first. Then snug it down the rest of the way with a 10mm wrench, making sure not to over-tighten. Next, unplug the factory connector from the back of the lower running light. Locate the nuts securing it and remove them using an 11mm wrench. Then you can remove the light. Now you can mount your new running light into position using the new hardware in the kit with a 10mm wrench. Now take 2 of your plug-and-play connectors from the kit. Plug one into the upper running light and the other into the lower running light. Unplug the OE connector from the corner light. Plug in one of our blinker integration harnesses, making sure to depress the red clip to lock it into place. Now strip off the end of the yellow wire. Add some dielectric grease to a lever lock. Insert that wire into one end of the lever lock and close the tab to lock it into place. Then strip off the ends of the yellow wires coming off your new running lights. Twist them together. Insert them into the other end of the lever lock and close the locking tab. Next, you can plug in your upper and lower running lights back into the OEM harnesses. You'll notice after everything is plugged in, you'll have an extra OE-style connector coming off each running light. We designed the harness this way to allow for plug-and-play expansion of future lighting mods later down the road. Now you can turn on your ignition to test the running lights and turn signal functionality. If everything looks good, go back through and wrap electrical tape around the lever lock to keep it insulated from moisture. Since the red and black wires aren't used in this setup, wrap the ends of those wires individually as well. Then fold one in half before taping them together to make sure the ends do not touch. Finally, zip tie any excess wiring up and out of the way of any and all moving parts. Then repeat that same process to install the running lights on the other side.
If you're looking to level up the look and visibility of your Slingshot, these sequential LED running lights are an easy upgrade with a big impact. You can grab yours at SlingMods.com using the link in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future installs or new product releases. Thanks for watching.